Hi guys, for today I wanted to create a very sweet feminine dusky rose monochromatic makeup look. Now I'm using this mentalic acid serum from RUTUMA, and you can stop your skincare right here because it has very sticky base to it and it can really help your foundation stick better. But I'm gonna go and follow up with this French Mellowed Cold Moisturizer from Paris. I'm gonna let that sink into your skin before you apply makeup. I'm gonna start with a concealer from Purple, and this is just for the color correction on my under eyes. You can skip this one. Keeping this 2022 natural makeup look theme, I'm gonna use a mousse foundation instead of an actual one. Then I'm gonna apply a baked blush from Milani, and I'm using a dry sponge for maximum color payoff. Blush is very subtle, as you can see the comparison, exactly what we want for our natural look. Before we move on to the eyes, I'm gonna line my lips with PAC Cosmetic lip liner in the shade Mauve, perfect match for this look, and follow it up with NY Pale lipstick in the shade 01. Now the most exciting part of this video, eyeshadow. I'm using this Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette for very first time since I bought it, and I'm super excited. I'm going to start with the shade called Filthy. It's a nice dusky rose color, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. I take a little bit of the product at the time and then spread it. I never dig in too much into an eyeshadow because I like to build it slowly. Then I will take a smaller brush and get the darker color from this palette called Spicy and apply it right at the end of the eye. I would say where the pupil ends to the end of the eyes. So keep on blending this, and then with a smudger brush I'll take that first color dusky rose shade and get it along the bottom lash line as well. And now I will just use this darkest matte eyeshadow in the palette called Untamed, and from the end of the pupil to the end of the eye, so more like an liner. And then I want to play with some of the shimmer shades in the palette and see which will suit this look. I think the shade Flower Power just really goes with this undertone. It feels very creamy and buttery too. Looks like a pearly gold in the palette, but on the eyes it has rather cool undertone. It just pairs perfectly with this pink mauvey look, and here it is, a final look.